Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter at the workbench, and I'm planing this piece of beech. It's a unique piece of beech because it is spalted. Now, you can do your research on what spalting is, but basically, spalting has to do with a fungal attack. Now, over the years, I have probably sent more spalted wood to the burn pit than anywhere else because there's a fine line between beautiful decorative spalting and rot. It's a very fine line. The perfect spalted wood will have color change in the wood, black lines going all over the place. And I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to try. But you have these black lines here and there. But when it starts to change the natural color of the wood, this is the natural color of the wood, beech. When it starts turning it white, that's starting to decay. If you can get this spalting with these black lines like here, then you have something. This piece I saved while I was cutting up some beech. I think I have a few more. When I was doing a lot of wood turning. And that's sort of a funny observation. When you are a cabinet maker or a furniture maker, you keep your eye out for woods that are certain thicknesses, certain widths, certain lengths. But when you're a wood turner, every square you save because it can be turned into something. This could be a tool handle. This could be cut into short sections and made into pepper mills, small, tiny lidded boxes. Anything's possible when you're a wood turner. But when you're a cabinet maker or a furniture maker, you need bigger, wider, flat lumber. And the only time you save thick lumber is when you're looking to create table legs. And usually for table legs, and we're going to talk about this one day, let me just bridge it briefly here. For table legs, you don't want flat sawn lumber, and you don't necessarily want quarter sawn lumber. What you want is rift sawn, where the grain, and this piece is, well, it's almost quartered on this face and almost rift on this face. The reason why you want to go for rift sawn, where the grain is going through on a diagonal, is all four sides will have the same vertical grain. That is, if the piece was sawn straight. But we'll talk about preparing leg stock another day. Have you ever worked spalted lumber? I know you've seen it in firewood piles, but it can be very attractive. It can be very, very attractive. So if I were to cut this into a small section and turn it into a lidded box, That would be beautiful. So that's it. Catch your spalting before it rots. Like, subscribe, and share. Walter out.